Hiya, everyone. Translating a WordPress plugin can significantly enhance the user experience for your non-English speaking audience. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to translate a WordPress plugin, ensuring your site is accessible and user-friendly for all visitors. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Create a WordPress.org account. Before you can contribute translations, you'll need to create an account on WordPress.org. After signing up, log in to your account. Step 2. Find the page of the plugin you want to translate. Go to the plugins page on WordPress.org. In this guide, we will use our customer reviews for WooCommerce plugin as an example. Use the languages section to open the list of languages available for translation. Step 3. Select a language. Check the list of available languages for translation. Select the language you want to translate the plugin into from the list. Plugins often have multiple projects, e.g., stable, development, or README files. Select the project you'd like to translate. For general plugin translations, choose the stable, latest release project. Step 4. Start translating. You will now see a list of strings, pieces of text that appear in the plugin, that need to be translated. Click on any string to start translating. A text box will appear where you can input your translation for that string. Enter your translation and submit by clicking on the Suggest button. If you're part of the translation team for that language, your translation may be immediately approved, or it will go through a review process by a translation editor. Step 5. Translation guidelines. Make sure your translation is accurate and context appropriate. You can often view where the string appears in the plugin to understand its use. Follow any specific guidelines for the language you're translating into. You can refer to the translation style guide for your language. Step 6. Wait for approval, if applicable. If you're not a translation editor (PTE) for the language, your translations will be in waiting status until reviewed and approved by a PTE. You can monitor the progress of your translations under the Waiting and Translated tabs. Step 7. Get involved in the translation community. If you are passionate about translating, consider becoming a project translation editor (PTE) for your preferred language and plugins. This role allows you to approve translations yourself. Join the Polyglots community and submit a PTE request to become a translation editor. You can find the link to submit a PTE request in the description of this video. Wrapping up. By following these steps, you can effectively translate a WordPress plugin via the web interface, making your site more accessible and user-friendly for a global audience. Happy translating! I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.